If you see this light, it could indicate something like malfunctioning spark plugs, loose or faulty wires, a bad oxygen sensor, or a damaged catalytic converter. Fact is, you may only see this warning light, but you could feel a reduction in power, notice an irregular idle, your engine running rougher, or get no response when you press the accelerator. If you see the engine or other warning lights like these, open the hood to look for steam, and underneath for leaks or drips, and take your vehicle in for service. Our technicians will use high-tech diagnostic equipment to identify issues before they become costly repairs, and that could mean big savings for you. Call to schedule an appointment to see our factory-trained technicians.